To load weather data, the first step is again to create the appropriate data table. There is a Weather button under Step 2, Factors of Influence, that will create the weather data table. This table can be populated with weather station data that you've downloaded from Environment Canada or another source using the Import from File option under the Options menu, or you can download data directly from NASA's Satellite Weather Service. In the Options section of the ribbon, select Download NASA Data. Check that the begin and end dates cover the full range of the data that you wish to work with, and then click the green check mark. When the download is complete, a summary message will appear indicating if any data was missing and what was done to fill in the missing data. You'll be able to find more details in the comments field once the data is loaded into RETScreen. So you can see here that there were 9 missing data points, and to fill in the missing data, they took an average of the data on either side. So we'll click the green check mark and we can see that the data has been loaded in.